Bel Air, Maryland, offers residents a beautiful, peaceful environment with distinct seasons: warm, humid summers and chilly, wet winters. As a homeowner in Bel Air, it's essential to ensure that your home remains comfortable, energy efficient, and secure throughout the year. One of the most important decisions you'll make for your home's durability and energy performance is choosing the right windows. Your window choice plays a crucial role in how well your home handles Bel Air's climate, affecting everything from temperature regulation to energy bills. In this article, we'll explore how Bel Air's climate influences your window choices and the factors to consider when selecting windows for your home. Seasonal temperature fluctuations. Bel Air experiences a variety of weather conditions throughout the year, ranging from hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters. This temperature fluctuation means that your windows need to be highly efficient in managing heat transfer, preventing excessive heat loss during the colder months and keeping your home cooler during the summer. To address this, many homeowners in Bel Air opt for energy-efficient windows. These windows are designed to reduce the amount of heat entering or leaving your home, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Double or triple pane windows with insulating gas fills, such as argon or krypton, create a barrier that limits heat transfer. In winter, they help retain the warmth inside, while in the summer, they reduce the amount of external heat that enters your home. Additionally, windows with low E coatings, low emissivity coatings, are ideal for Bel Air's climate. These coatings reflect infrared light, which helps keep your home cool in the summer by blocking out heat, while allowing sunlight to enter and brighten your living space. In the winter, low E coatings retain heat inside, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering your energy bills. Humidity and moisture resistant. Bel Air's climate can be quite humid in the summer months, and excess moisture in the air can cause significant issues for your home's windows over time. High humidity can lead to condensation on the window panes, which may damage window frames, promote mold growth, and affect insulation. Choosing windows made with moisture-resistant materials is essential for preventing these issues. Vinyl and fiberglass are excellent options, as they are resistant to warping, rotting, and swelling, which are common problems caused by humidity. Unlike wood frames, which can absorb moisture and deteriorate, fiberglass and vinyl windows maintain their integrity even in humid conditions, providing long-lasting durability. Additionally, opting for double-glazed windows can help reduce condensation buildup. The insulating air space between the panes of glass provides a barrier that minimizes temperature differences between the inside and outside, which is key to preventing condensation on cold windows. Storm protection. While Bel Air is not directly along the coast, it still experiences heavy rainstorms, strong winds, and occasional severe weather. In the winter, snowstorms can be a concern, and during the spring and summer months, strong thunderstorms can cause wind and rain damage. Having storm-resistant windows is crucial for protecting your home from damage due to wind, flying debris, and extreme weather conditions. Impact-resistant windows are a great option for homeowners in Bel Air who want to safeguard their property against severe weather. These windows are designed to withstand high winds and resist damage from airborne debris. They are made with toughened glass or laminated layers, ensuring that they don't shatter easily in stormy conditions. For homeowners looking for additional protection, installing hurricane shutters or storm windows in conjunction with impact-resistant windows can offer extra peace of mind. Energy efficiency during summer heat. During the summer months, temperatures in Bel Air can rise, making it essential to keep your home cool without overworking your air conditioning system. Windows that let in too much sunlight can raise the temperature inside your home, making your HVAC system work harder and leading to higher energy bills. Solar control windows are an excellent choice in Bel Air to reduce heat gain from the sun. These windows are designed with special coatings or tinted glass that filter out solar heat while still allowing natural light to enter your home. Solar control windows can help you maintain a comfortable indoor temperature without the need for excessive air conditioning, saving you energy and money. Aesthetic consideration. In addition to performance, windows also contribute to your home's curb appeal. The architectural style of your home will influence your window choice. Whether you live in a traditional colonial home, a modern build, or a charming cottage, your windows should complement your home's aesthetic while addressing the functional demands of Bel Air's climate. For traditional homes, wood-framed windows can add character and warmth. If you prefer low-maintenance, vinyl or fiberglass windows provide a wide variety of colors and finishes that can still offer the same aesthetic appeal without the upkeep required for wood windows. Modern homes might benefit from large picture windows or casement windows that enhance views and maximize natural light, all while keeping energy efficiency in mind. Conclusion. When selecting windows for your Bel Air home, it's important to consider the impact of the local climate. With its seasonal temperature fluctuations, high humidity, and occasional storms, your windows need to provide not only aesthetic appeal but also performance, durability, and energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows, moisture-resistant materials, storm protection, and solar control options are all essential features that can help protect your home, reduce your energy bills, and keep you comfortable year-round. By choosing the right windows for your specific needs, you'll ensure that your home remains energy efficient, secure, and visually appealing in the face of Bel Air's ever-changing weather conditions.